Do you want to start going to the gym, start working out, but you have no idea what to do after that? Well, don't you worry. I'm going to go through everything you want to be doing from the time you enter the gym to the time you leave in this video. Let's go. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As a beginner, going to the gym or even getting a gym membership can be very intimidating, and I totally understand that. There's always this one dude, this massive buff dude who's lifting all these big ass weights and everybody's just looking at him, and then you enter the gym and you feel like everybody's watching you, judging you, and on top of that you have no clue what to do. So you don't end up touching any of the machines because you're scared you'll make a mistake and everybody's gonna laugh at you. I know, I've been there, and it's not fun. But you know what? Let me tell you something that you need to understand. Everyone, and I mean everyone, started off exactly where you are right now. Even that big jack dude that you see in the gym, he was exactly like you when he started off. So just keep that in mind. Now, with that being said, in this video, I'm gonna go over a step-by-step process of everything that I do from the time I enter the gym to the time I leave. This is to just bring awareness, hopefully to help one or two of you out there. So feel free to take what you want from this. I am no scientist, I am no fitness guru. This is what I do, this is what I suggest, and this is what has helped me and my clients over the years. All right, I like to divide this entire process into 3 steps, and in this exact order. So step number 1, warming up. This is a super important step, guys. A lot of people just go straight into lifting weights as soon as they enter the gym, and I do not recommend that. Not only will you have a better workout, but about 90% of the injuries can be avoided by just spending 10 to 15 minutes warming up properly. So what I like to do is divide my warm-ups into 2 parts. One is cardio and the second is stretching. The first thing that I do as soon as I enter the gym is spend about 5 minutes doing some light cardio. Whether that's an elliptical, a treadmill, a stationary bike, it really doesn't matter. I just pick one and hop on it. And this helps increase my heart rate, increase my body temperature, and most importantly, it helps me to really focus. It helps me to create a game plan and mentally prepare myself for the actual workout. Then I move on to part 2 of the warm-up. Here I spend about 10 minutes stretching, and by stretching I would recommend dynamic stretching. This is more of an active movement-based type of stretching. For example, arm rotations, arm circles, arm swings, leg swings, forward lunges with rotation, head rotation, so on and so forth. If you Google dynamic stretches, you'll find plenty of videos. On top of that, I also add movements that I'm about to do in my workout. For example, if I'm going to be doing the bench press, then I do include push-ups as part of my warm-up, or if I'm going to be doing squats, then I include stuff like bodyweight lunges, bodyweight squats as part of my warm-up. I take this step very, very seriously, and the whole purpose of this step, which usually takes me about 10 to 15 minutes, is to again increase my body and muscle temperature, to increase my range of motion, to get my joints to move more freely, and most importantly, to help or minimize injuries as much as possible. Once I have completed that, I move on to the next step, which is my most favorite step, the actual workout. When it comes to lifting weights, I would recommend starting off with the big lifts first, just because they require the most amount of energy. So compound exercises like bench press, deadlift, squat, or anything that involves or works multiple muscle groups. I generally include about 1 to 2 compound movements during every workout, and also when you're doing the compound exercises, there's a warm-up set and a working set. I have gone over that in another video, so do check it out if you want more information on that. And also regarding the reps, sets, and rest periods, I'm gonna make a different video on that just because it varies from person to person based on their goals. But yeah, once I have completed the compound exercises, where I would have spent about 60 to 70% of my energy, I move on to about 3 to 4 isolation movements, which complement the compound exercises. Isolation movements are those that target one specific muscle group, and because of that, they don't take up as much energy as the compound exercises. Movements like bicep curl, tricep push down, leg extension, leg curl, so on and so forth, all fall in this category. And with this, guys, my workout is complete. But we still have one more step, a very crucial step, a step a lot of people neglect but is very, very important, which is the cooling down phase. This is an opportunity for you to reduce your intensity, bring down your heart rate, relax your muscles, and promote recovery. So I spent the last 10 minutes stretching, but this time it's static stretching, which is basically holding a stretch for a period of time of about 30 to 45 seconds. Not only does it improve flexibility and range of motion, but static stretching helps release stress and tension in your muscles. So it helps with relaxation, it reduces stiffness, and it also helps your muscles recover faster after a workout. And with that, guys, I exit the gym feeling great, feeling good about myself, and feeling a sense of accomplishment. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you found this video helpful, please do show it by hitting the like button, and also please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And until next time, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.